most national parks, the big attractions are found above the ground. Not here. At Carlsbad Caverns National Park in New Mexico, the show takes place underground. About 100 caves and caverns lie beneath this park. A cave is a natural hole found in the earth. A cavern is a large cave. According to local legend, some cowboys, including one named Jim White, found Carlsbad Caverns. One evening, they saw what looked like a plume of smoke rising into the sky. That plume of smoke turned out to be a big cloud of bats flying out of a cave entrance. A bat looks like a mouse with wings. Hundreds of thousands of bats sleep in the caverns during the day. At night, the bats leave in a great whirring cloud to hunt for food. If you come to the entrance at sunset, you may see them take flight. It's a very pretty sight. More than 500,000 visitors tour Carlsbad Caverns each year. One of the most popular stops is a huge chamber known as the Big Room. The Big Room is about 25 stories high and a third of a mile wide. It could hold 6 football fields and still have space left over.